In this video, I'm going to show you how to open gold chart in MT5. Now, the first thing you must make sure is to actually add gold onto your market watch over here. Now, if your broker you're currently signed in doesn't support it, then you'll have to switch to a different broker. But of course, if it does, then you can use the method I'm going to show you right now. If you can't find gold via the way I'm going to show you, I do have a separate video which is going to teach you how to add or show gold in MT5, okay? So I'm just going to go to the top left here and click on show symbol list. And then from here, you want to look for gold. So up top, type in gold, and you should be able to find it somewhere in here. So I'm just going to look for the basic one, which is XAU USD, gold versus US dollar. Of course, could be any of these as well over here. I'm just going to use the basic XAU USD. If you can't see it or if you can't find it, it means your broker doesn't support it. So you're going to have to sign into a different broker inside MT5. Then click on it when you find it and click on show symbol. When you do this, it's going to show over here on your market watch. Find it, right click on it and click on chart window. And there we go, just like this. You can see this is the XAU USD, otherwise known as gold chart in MT5. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.